welcome back to my channel again and again and again. And nakita nyo naman, for today's video, naka-running gear na naman tayo. So, another running video or running vlog na naman.
So many runners are already approaching the stage.
Ayan.
Yes, drop your raffle stop.
Ayan na, may nag-a-announce na ng mga
listen to your numbers as we announce
sa stage.
later that we're gonna
Yeah,
start raffling off
for
your
today's video,
numbers.
medyo bago pa lang
Alright.
ulit ako.
It's a
Kasi
cool
1 month tayong hindi
morning today.
nakapag-running
Okay,
event.
later will be
Kasi
kinda
yun nga,
hot.
medyo nagpahinga tayo. At nag-train tayo for this
Later
long
it's gonna
distance
be
running
kinda
ngayon
hot,
for
so
takbo. Para sa
make sure that
Kalikasan
you also have your
2024.
hydration
So,
bottle
ayun nga.
or,
Ito yung panata race ko
bags
talaga
or
since
belts with
2019.
you. Okay.
At ito yung
So
isa sa mga
you
unang
will be hydrated
running
because
events
we
na
don't want
sinalihan ko.
anybody being dehydrated
As
today.
a
And good
hobbyist.
news,
Habis
we
ba
will
tawag? Basta
have
gano'n.
our,
Hobby ko lang kasi naman
fire
talaga
truck later
running, and
this
it's not really
morning
that,
to
parang
refresh
sa akin, parang
everyone,
form
to
of
freshen up
exercise
everyone
lang siya.
after
Ayun.
or
So, for
during
today,
their
ayun, fire run.
Okay, so once
Naririnig
again,
nyo
good
naman
morning,
siguro,
everyone. If
fire
you
run,
just
fire
arrived
run.
here at Ulamin
So, ito na.
CCP Complex,
Ito na yung start
you may
ng
claim
takbo
your
para sa
pick at the
Kalikasan running
registration
series.
area on
So,
the right side of the stage.
tingnan natin
And that is
kung
beside
makakatapos tayo.
the Pocari
Hindi ko pa
Sweat.
na-check ko nung index ngayong
Alright,
mga
and as
panahon
you
na to.
are here
Ayun.
right now,
So,
you might want to
napakainit
visit the
po.
booth of our
Napakainit po
sponsors.
talaga ngayong
Okay, visit
ngayong
the
mga
booth of
panahon
our
na to.
sponsors
And I'm getting
enjoy your
nervous
time
na
and
sana
get to know
hindi
them,
ganun kainit sa
what they're
course,
giving
sa
up-
running course,
giving
sa
away.
race course. Ayun. So, sana makaan tayo, makatapos tayo with no problem. Ayun. Early natin for today. Ayun, update guys. Medyo hindi naman ganun kainit for today. Since nandito pa lang din naman ako sa Race Village, so, parang hindi ko pa nararamdaman yung init ng panahon. Pero titignan pa natin mamaya pag nasa nasa race course na tayo, pag nag-start na talaga. So doon natin malalaman kung gaano kainit ang panahon. Pero yun nga, sa ngayon hindi ko pa nararamdaman. Which is, I don't know if it's a good thing. Ayun. So, ayun lang.
Climate Change Foundation as a beneficiary. So this is our beneficiary for the benefit of everyone. That part of your registration goes to here.
I am Mr. Francisco Tubal of Climate Foundation Philippines. Climate Foundation is an independent non-profit organization registered in the United States and in the Philippines, and we have our international operations. Our mission is to restore community livelihood and life in the oceans with 3 goals: food security, ecosystem regeneration, and carbon balance. But the ocean is facing a big problem. Climate Foundation has developed a solution called marine permaculture that restores upwelling in the ocean to bring back nutrients to the surface, essential for plankton and seaweed growth. Thank you very much for choosing Climate Foundation as one of the beneficiaries for this takbo para sa Kalikasan Fire Run 2024. This donation can help our organization in continuing and achieving our mission to our planet.
Yun! Nakita niyo ba yun, guys? So, I believe in simple ways, we save Mother Earth. Together, we can stop global warming.
A few moments later.
Basta enjoy lang po natin yung mga natin, yung days natin.
One eternity later.
Maglakad. Ayun, update guys. 4 kilometers. 4 kilometers. Pero, okay naman, mahangin. Medyo ano, kaya okay lang. Okay lang medyo mag fast pace. Medyo, hindi pa mainit so far. Pero tingnan natin mamaya. Okay. 8 kilometer mark. Tapos pa incline. Ayun. Let's go. So far, hindi naman ganun kainit. Sana tuloy-tuloy itong hindi mainit. Ayun. 12 km mark. So far, malamig pa rin. At mahangin. Ayun. Umayo na kasi. Kaya dapat lumalamig na yung panahon. 16 km mark. Sure na. Excuse me. Hey. Excuse me. Hindi nga lang nag-PR pero okay lang. Okay lang. No PR. 16. Ah, Diyos ko. 16. Thank you po. 16. Woo! Sabi na. Ang layo. Pero okay lang. At least tapos. Woo! Nakaloka. Ayan. Lupo, medium po.
Medium po dito po, medium po. 60K.
Ay,
Anong kaya?
medium po. Thank you. 16. Ayan. Finisher short. Ayan, nakita nyo yan. 16. 16. Ay, mga mahabang pila na. Wala na tayong maputang mga freebies kasi medyo hindi ganun kaano yung oras natin. Pero at least naka-finish naman tayo. Goal. So, see you on the water run for the takbo para sa Kalikasan 2024. 18 km naman yung tatapusin natin for that run. Anin natin ngayon, goal talaga natin ngayon long distance. Hindi na pwede mag 10 km lang. Okay. Syempre, move up tayo. Hindi tayo moving down. Okay guys, that's it for today's video.